Hello everyone, good day. It's me, Louis Carpuz, Baguio Paparazzi. Today we're gonna go to SM and different places. I'm gonna show you. So let's go. Have a blessed day. More blessings to all of us. This is my wife's car. Let's go.
Yeah. But why those windows down?
Okay,